welcome back to the channel. Rob here at Ford Loaded Customs. Hey, today's video I got a brand new 84-inch stainless steel toolbox I'm going to be unboxing. Just went down to the city to go pick this thing up. I've been hustling my ass off for the last 45 days, 50 days, something like that. Working pretty much every single day. I picked this thing up and I was still dragging this trailer around to people's yards to go do installs. So just been working a lot. So which has been good because I'm getting stuff like this toolbox here. I'm waiting to pick this thing up for almost 4 years. So feels good to get to that point where I'm finally getting all my stuff together. I finally got all my tools back. I had to sell my tools a couple years ago when I moved to Calgary, which was terrible. And I finally got all those tools I sold back. I bought them all brand new again. But I was missing a toolbox. And that was the biggest thing on my list of things to get for the longest time. Feels really good to finally go get this thing. Like I said, it's been 4 years. So today's video, I'm just going to be doing, getting this toolbox here out of the trailer, get it in the shop, do a little unboxing for you, show you the new toolbox I picked up, and then talk about what's going on in the shop and what you can expect to see here in the next couple months. Stay tuned. Cool guys, so we got the toolbox. She's all unboxed here now. I got a couple more things over here on this welding cart there. I got to go put onto the toolbox here. There's a couple pegboards and some other, you can see them over there. Where is it? There we go. Right over there we got some little trays and stuff. Some LED lights and stuff for this box here too. So it'll stand probably about right about there when it's all done. So I'm going to quickly put that together here. Feels, like I said, it feels really good to finally get this box back in here. So we quickly finished putting the rest of this thing together here. I measured out my section over here, and that's going to be too small. So I'm going to end up hacking up and cutting this this bench I built here, just shorten up there, probably where that coffee can is, right along there, shorten it up so I can get my toolbox in there. It's kind of it's a better problem to have too much than not enough, and I'll tell you that right now. So I'd rather have the too much problem than not enough. So big toolbox, gonna cut out the bench here. So I'm gonna finish putting it together, and I'll modify up that bench so I can slide it in, finally get my tools in there. All right, cool guys. So the toolbox, she's all built behind me here. This thing looks fantastic. 84-inch toolbox here. It's 58 inches high, I think. This, man, it looks great. You have no idea how great this feels to see the toolbox in my shop now. I've been waiting to pick up a toolbox, man, for 4 years. 4 years I've been waiting to get a toolbox. I moved to Calgary maybe about 5 years ago or so, and I had to sell all my tools and stuff to get down there. And you know, I was trying to make something work. An idea I had, it didn't work. I failed at it or whatever, right? But you know, I had to sell everything I had. That sucks. And if you've ever been through that, and I think I've been through it maybe 4 or 5 times, and it sucks. It sucks. But man, trust me, you know, every storm, man, it runs out of rain. Every dark night always turns to day. So no matter what you're going through, man, you can always get out of it. Stick around on my channel there too, man. I'll show you exactly how far you can get out of it there too. Because things are changing, man. Good things, big things going to happen now, man. So like I was telling you, 4 years I've been waiting to pick up this toolbox. Super happy, super excited to see it in here. I got all the single tools back I had to sell 4 years ago. I got all them back. And that feels great. I got a place to store them now. That feels fantastic. And man, I can't wait. This is going to be great. So opportunity came up. I've been working like 50 days or something like that in a row, like I was saying before. And I'm just going to work my ass off for it, man. Because when got this thing here, this felt great to pick up. Next thing is I'm going down to RPM in Saskatoon. I'm going to load up a U-Haul trailer. I'm going to pick up every single piece of sheet metal I need for that Chevelle and that Impala behind me there too. Right there, that 58. Everything else I don't have for it, I'm going to go pick that up. And everything I need for this Chevelle up front, I'm going to go pick it up there too. Hopefully the next couple weeks. So I can't wait for that. I'm going to make a video of that there too. That's going to feel great. I'll flip the camera around real quick, man. I'll show you my board here too. We're going to cross some things off the board here too. So this is my shop board. This thing has been full for I don't know how many months, man. Just with the stuff that I wanted. So with the work and stuff that I've been doing the last couple months here, you haven't seen me posting. This is all the stuff I picked up here. So we've got this 20-gallon sandblast unit. Get that off there. I picked that up. This windshield removal kit. I've picked that up. Stainless steel toolbox. I've picked that up. Sandblast media. I've picked that up there too. Argon welding tank. Take that off. I've picked that up. Iwata airbrush. Micron. New Micron airbrush. I picked that up as well. Cordless impact gun. I've picked up and bought. Cordless saw. Picked that up and bought it there too. What else here? Oh, on the Chevelle, I picked up a pair of front seats for the Chevelle. So crossed a bunch of stuff off this list here on the shop supplies that I've been waiting to pick up. All those I've picked up. This is the remaining stuff I want to get for the shop here. I need a bunch of sandpaper for doing the work on the Chevelle and the Impala. Another set of wheel dollies so I can push the Chevelle around. Need some high build primer for it. Auto glass European clear coat. It's a high build clear coat. It looks really nice. You can wet sand and polish it whenever it's done. I need a chop saw so I can chop some more metal. So I don't have to rely on someone else to cut it for me. Impact driver would be nice to have. This is the next big thing right here. This is all the parts that I need left for that 58 Impala and for that 71 Chevelle. Like I said, next couple of weeks I'm going to do a video here. I'm going to go down to RPM in Saskatoon. I'm going to pick up every single one of these panels that I need for that 58 Impala and for that 71 Chevelle. That's going to be a great time. I can't wait for it. So guys, at the same time I was showing you the board, I figure I'll probably show you all the stuff I got for the 58 here too. So I got a set of these here. These are the wheel arch replacement panels. Let's go up in the panel section there. Bam, slide in there. Replaces that quarter panel piece on the 58. Both sides I've got these here too I ordered. These are for the front fender, inner, and the outer pieces there too. These are actually reproduction pieces here from, I think, the mid-70s. They're actually a little bit, you have more metal on these inner pieces here compared to the new reproduction models. So I got these ones here, both sides for the front fenders. So now that I got that argon welding tank that's sitting over there, I can get working on the fenders here at some point in time there too. Go around the other side of the car. And on the other side of the car, I got my inner rockers. They came in. There you can see the front fender repair panel pieces again. These were hard to kind of get shipped to Canada, but not as hard as the wheel arch pieces that come across. Those were super hard to find, and to find a place that ships out to Canada too. So got all those. Go look inside the trunk here. I got a brand new set of floor pans for it, trunk pans. Those came in a while ago, but so I got a brand new set of floor pans for it there. The next really big thing that I got to get that's super hard to come by is this pitchfork piece right over here for the 58. Auto City Classics in Minnesota sells this, but they won't ship it to me here in Canada. So I'm just waiting for that, what do you call it? It's a thing you need to go to other countries. Oh, passport. Waiting for my passport to come in. I reapplied for it a little while ago, waiting for it to finally show up in the mail. That's taking a sweet ass time. Waiting for that to show up. When it does, I'll probably make a trip down to Minnesota, get the other parts I need for this, especially this pitch panel. What am I talking about? Pitchfork panel. There we go. Just gotta slow that down. Pitchfork panel replacement piece there. And obviously, need a little bit of a floor situation going on there too. So, do got some new metal. It's great to see things finally showing up here for this too. Feels great to know that I've got pieces to start working on this. So, looking forward to going and picking up the rest of the parts I need for the 58. So, all right, guys, so you've seen the board. I got a lot of stuff crossed off on that board. Next big thing is I'm going down to Saskatoon, RPM. I'm going to get all those parts I need for the Chevelle and all those parts I need for the Impala. Hopefully do that in the next couple of weeks. So next couple of months here, I'm going to be hustling my ass off for the summertime here. I've been working 12, 16-hour days. I've been going out in the morning and I've been selling stuff and selling installs every single day that I can. From early morning to the end of night to midnight. I've been getting home sometimes at 1:30 in the morning. But it's been paying off because I can go pick up stuff that I need that I've been waiting a long time to get. And same thing, you guys see me doing all the airbrushing stuff like that for a couple weeks or a couple months ago. I'll be honest with you, man, I just didn't have money to go pick up parts for anything. And I was just trying to do something that I could still continue doing YouTube videos. And I airbrushed until I had no clear coat left to clear coat things. And no paint left to paint things. So now I just try to keep some videos flowing on the YouTube channel. I didn't have any money to go pick up parts. And if you've ever been through that situation, it sucks. It's not good. It's terrible. And like I said, stick around. I'll show you on my channel exactly how far you can go from being in a position like that and how far you can take yourself. So that ain't the case no more. And this is what we're going to do. My goal is to do this full time, man. I want to be able to build and restore classic and custom cars and do custom airbrush paint jobs every day for the rest of my life. That's what I want to do. It's what I'm good at, and it's what I want to see and what I want to accomplish and leave it here for a legacy while I'm here on this earth. So stick around, man. I've got a couple things coming up here for the shop. 71 Chevelle, be getting right on that. 58 Impala. I'm doing another sandblast video. I think I should be done that hopefully today. As you can see outside, it's finally not raining, and it's been raining here in Alberta probably like 25 of the 30 days or so in June. It's been horrible. I started sandblasting that firewall, if you can see it up over there. I started sandblasting that thing maybe about a month ago or so, but I haven't been able to do it because it's been raining the whole time. So as soon as I got this done, I'm going to flip it out, pull that firewall out, bit of sandblast and that, and throw out the video on that there too. So I got that coming on. There's a couple cars that I came across a couple months ago. I really like to pick up. There's a 48 Chev two-door business coupe. I think there's another 48 Chevy Fleetline and the torpedo back one. Really nice car I want to go get. I came across a 70 70 Challenger. You guys might have seen that in my little YouTube shorts. I'm hoping to go pick up that car too. That would be an excellent project to have. But I can go pick it up, but I'm going to finish the Chevelle and the Impala first. So got those couple cars that would like to go pick up there too in the near future, make some videos on those. I'm going to Ontario for a little bit, see my mom and dad. I haven't seen them in 3 years. It's going to be great to see them. And yeah, I get to see them. It's been a long time. So I think there's a couple classic car fields down in Ontario that I can remember. hopefully they're still there. So maybe I'll do a video or two while I'm down there in Ontario visiting my family, and get you some of those Ontario cars. And I'll tell you, in Ontario, there might not be a whole lot left because they use a lot of salt down there. So usually they get the classic cars from out here, out west in Alberta and Saskatchewan, Manitoba, and BC, and bring them back out there because of all that salt. But there might be something left. We'll see if I can make a video. Maybe I'll post a video of my brother's cars or something. So, but yeah, guys, thanks for sticking around to the end of today's video. Picked out the toolbox, picking up the rest of the parts I need for the Chevelle here next couple of weeks. It's going to be great. And then we'll get to welding up the quarter panel, doing all the body work, get that off to the sandblasting. Hey, even that sandblast thing that I picked up over there, I think I might be even able to sandblast that Chevelle right here in the shop, which would be great. So hopefully I can do that. It'd be fantastic. So stick around for the channel. Stick around on the channel there. Do got a lot more stuff coming up. Like I said, this is my goal to be able to do this full time in life, and that's build and restore classic custom cars. All these cars I find. I've got another '67 Impala convertible outside there too that you guys have seen before. I might have a special idea with that one there too, where I restore that and I give it to someone. So stick around for it. I have an idea for that one there too. And if you're listening at this point here in time there too, another thing I would like to do is I'd like to travel and go to different places. If you guys give me requests or anything like that, I'd like to show up at your door and you got something cool for me to custom paint. I'd love to be able to do that there too. So that's another idea I have, because I do all this custom artwork and this custom paint, right? So I know some people can't ship me their bikes or whatever, right? But you got a place for me to paint, man. Hey, I'd show up at your doorstep. I'll do a video on it, and I'll leave you the cool custom paint job. Come see you, and maybe airbrush some motorcycle tanks, car hoods, whatever you got. That's something cool that I'd like to be able to do here too with the channel. So, all right, guys. Thanks a lot for sticking around to the end of today's video. If you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave your comments down below in the comments section. And, oh yeah, you know what? I also have some shop stuff here. I got some shirts, some coveralls, and some other stuff I've got designed with the that logo that you've seen me do or use at the beginning of my videos here lately. I do have that there too. So thanks a lot for sticking around. And remember, if it's not raglan, it's not custom. I'll catch you guys next episode. So take care.